Hey guys, welcome to Riva Academy. In this tutorial, we are going to look at about navigation drawers in Flutter. And if you really like this video, please share it with your friend who is also learning Flutter. So we started by creating a new project in Visual Studio Code. Save this project and we will open it now. Okay. So this is the default counter application created. I will remove these extra comments from the main class. Okay, and I will remove these two extra classes down there. Okay, and I will create a new class by the same name, a stateless widget I will create. Okay, and say my home page. Cool, and I will remove this title parameter from here. Okay, so we can start with a clean slate. Okay, and this will return a scaffold. Okay, we will add the app bar, and in the app bar we will add the title. Cool. These are the basic steps that we do in the start of any project. And run this in emulator. Give the title as say drawer demo, and now we will run this in emulator. Cool. Nice. Okay, so now we will add the body and we'll add a container. Cool. In this container we will add some text. Okay, so let us add some text. Say hello navigation drawer. Nice. Okay, now let us bring this text to the center. Okay, save. Cool. Now let us add a navigation drawer over here. When we add it, it will appear over here on the top left side. Okay, so to add a navigation drawer, there is this drawer parameter inside the scaffold. Okay, so drawer, save and hot reload. When we do this, it will add a blank drawer to that particular class. Okay, so to add a drawer in your screen, you just have to write drawer. This will add a blank navigation drawer. Cool. Now let us add some elements inside it. Okay, so let us add a child to this drawer and say list view. Okay, so that it will scroll properly. Now add children to this list view, and we will add drawer header to this. This will add the header to that drawer which we added, and we will add a child. We will add a container to this drawer header. Save. Okay, now let us check. Okay, you can see this is a blank container now. Okay, blank drawer header is added. Now let us start by adding let me put some color so that it is properly visible. Okay, I'll put a blue color. Okay, save. Now you can see this is a drawer header added, but there is some padding issue. Now let us fix that. Okay, so inside the drawer header there is this padding parameter. We will make the padding 0. Okay, when we save and hot reload, you can see the padding is gone now. So now you can see a nice drawer header has been added. Okay, good. Now let us add some more elements to this. Okay, now let me put some list style. Okay, I will add the text below the header. Say title, and I will add a text. Cool. Say home, save and hot reload. Okay, now you can see the home added over here. You can put the home icon also so that it will display very nicely. So we will add an leading icon over here in the list style. this will add a icon just before the text, icon dot home. Cool. You can see this is displaying very nicely now with a header and a list. Now let us do something for this header. It is blank, so we will go back to the drawer header. Inside the container I will add some text. Okay, I'll put this child and add a text over here, and I will put my name only. Save. Okay, so now this text is appearing on the top. I want this text at the bottom. Okay, so to do this, what I will do is wrap this particular text to a row widget. Okay, so we will do wrap it with a row. Cool. Now by default it has this cross-axis alignment to the center. So what we will do is make it cross-axis alignment towards the end. So it will appear in the bottom. Cool. Now I will add some padding. So I'll go back to my container and put some padding, right? Edge insets all, say 20. Save. Okay, so now it is displaying nicely. Now let us format this text. I want the font to be of white color. Okay, so I will add a style to this text. Okay, and here I will add colors dot white. Okay, nice. Now let me make the font a bit bigger. So I will change the font size for this text. Okay, put the font size as 20, save and hot reload. Okay, so now this is displaying nicely. Okay, so we have created a drawer with a header and a list. Okay, now let us add some more elements, more rows to this list. So I'll copy the same list style over here and say search. Okay, this is just for the demo purposes. Okay, so I want to add search icon. Cool. Okay, now let us add one more row. I'll copy paste this and I will add, say, call and icons dot call. Save. Okay, so we have created this beautiful navigation drawer. It is super easy. Now if you want to add divider between these elements, you simply have to write divider. Save. Right, so you can add a divider like this way. You copy paste this, save. Cool, so you can see the dividers are added now. Okay, so we have created this nice navigation drawer. Good, it is very easy in Flutter to create. Now I want to do something about my header. I don't want my name, actually I want to add an image. So what I will do, I will take any of the image. For now, for the demo purposes, I'll head on to the pixel.com and search any image, say galaxy. Okay, now what I will do is copy the URL of any of the image you like. Okay, I'll take this first one. I'll copy the URL. Okay, come back to the project. Okay, so but first what I will do is put the comment for the text which I have added. Okay. Okay, this text Mayuri Ruparel, I will comment that text, and instead of that I will add image over here. Okay, so image.network, and we have to paste the URL. Okay, cool. Now this image is visible, but it is not fitting properly. Over here there are some white space, and to fix this there is a fill property. Okay, let me bring this to bottom, align it properly. Okay, now let me bring this to the bottom, and I will say this fit property box fit dot fill. So it will fill the entire space of the header. Okay, what's the issue? Okay, I forgot the comma over here. Okay, save and hot reload. Cool. So we have added a nice image. Okay, Right, so similarly you can add images, play around, add some text, any containers or whatever you want, okay, for your project. I hope you like this video, and if you really do, please share it with your friends who are also learning Flutter. Thank you so much for watching.